Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon. Thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to Vlogmas 2018, day 10. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I already have my makeup on. I am wearing the lovely Norvina palette. This is just the makeup that I wore to work today. Nothing exciting, nothing special. I wanted to do a couple videos with some new and exciting things. So, without further ado, I bring you Jeffree Star Mystery Box Unboxing. I was actually getting very concerned about this because I ordered it on Black Friday and I hadn't even gotten like confirmation, tracking, any of that stuff, and then randomly on Friday they said that they were processing my order, and then I got tracking. And I was like, oh, maybe I'll get it Saturday, but I didn't. So it came today. When I ordered it, I wanted to get the medium-sized box so there would be apparel in it, but I could kick myself because I had 2 of the medium-sized boxes in my cart, and I decided to go look for some lipsticks from the new collection. And by the time I went back to my cart, the medium-sized boxes were sold out. So I decided to almost buy the $175 box, and then I looked at my husband and I was like, I just can't justify spending $175 on a box that I know nothing about. And like, that's how much my Voyeur palettes cost. So I was like, I can't do it. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit the notification bell so you're informed every time I upload a video. We do have a Vlogmas giveaway going on. So the way it works is I give you guys a secret code in every video, and you send me a private message either through email or Instagram or Facebook and tell me what the secret code is. And I have been doing reveals almost every video for a new product that will be in the giveaway. I have today's product, but let's do this first. If you enjoy mystery box or subscription box or any kind of box unboxing, then please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Did you guys pick one up? Did you guys want to pick one up but didn't get to? Are you glad after seeing some of the unboxings on YouTube? Are you glad that you didn't pick one up? Because I'll tell you what, man, there were a couple reveal videos where I was kind of like, if I get a green highlighter, I'm not going to be very happy. I mean, it'll be fun for Christmas, but who knows, maybe I'll add some of this stuff into our giveaway. So I'm just going to take a pen here and open this baby up. I love doing videos where I don't have to like sit and do makeup. I mean, of course I love doing makeup videos, but like these videos are so chill and laid back. Like, I literally don't have to stop the camera after every shade, and I don't have to make sure my lipstick goes on right in 3 different layers. You know, these are just a little more chill. Alright. So, this is what it looks like when you open it up. We've got yellow tissue paper. And then it's just our little receipt. I'm going to leave that in the box. So these are the mystery boxes. I was thinking about raffling one off in the raffle group that I'm in. And then I was like, you know what, let's just open them both because I can put stuff in a giveaway. I'm actually doing another swap box right now, so I can put stuff in my swap box. Hopefully they're not the same products. That's the other thing. I wanted to see if they're exactly the same. So I don't know which one to pick first. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I should have like went live and had you guys say right hand or left hand or did a poll. We're going to go with this one because I am right-handed. So let's just move that guy out of the way. Alright. can't open it. Maybe I can like put my camera down a little bit. I really can't open it. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put my glasses on, but I'm going to try not to give you guys a blinding glare with my ring light. Hold on, I got to like put it around my headband. All right. Oh boy. Well, our first item, let me just show you guys. Our first item is a Jeffree Star Pop Socket. It's pretty cool since I love pop sockets. I did just put a pop socket on my phone, so that might be giveaway material. Alright, let's look at our highlighter first. I knew it. We got a mint condition highlighter. It's green. Alright, and ooh, we got Baby Spice lip ammo. That one's actually really pretty. I like it. Okay, and then we've got Flamethrower lip, the Voyeur lip, it's the orange one. So far that's like 20, 40, that's like, I mean, it's worth like, I see one that I am excited about. Okay, this one is I'm Royalty, which is a purple liquid lipstick. I don't have this one actually, so I'm kind of excited about that. And I did get one from the new collection. I got Can't Relate. I'm kind of really excited about this because I really wanted one from the new collection. Oh my god, it's so pretty, you guys. Look at that packaging. Oh my god, we have to open this one right now. I'm going to just do a little swatch-a-rooney. I like this. This is very nudie, and I like nudes. So I just love this packaging. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. I think this is my favorite piece from the whole box. Alright, so should we add it up? How much are the Skin Frost? Jeffree Star Skin Frost.
Sorry, I couldn't find anything like that.
Really? We'll just have to go to Google. Okay, so the Skin Frost is, I don't have any paper. Yes, I do, I lied. Okay. Skin Frosts are $29. These are $18, I want to say. Let's just go to his website. Alright, so $29. So that already pays for the box, technically, because they were $30 with free shipping. So I paid $60 altogether. Let's go to lips. Lip ammunition. Let's look up that guy. Baby Spice. These are $18. Okay, I think his liquid lipsticks are $18 too. I really was hoping for a lip liner. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, they're $18. Okay, so we got lip ammunition. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 18 times 4. Let's just add this up. I don't know how much this pop socket is because I don't believe that's on his website. Maybe it is. 29 plus. No, let's do 18 times 4. $72 plus 29. is 101. I'm going to guess the pop socket's like 15. So this box was around $110 or $115 worth. Now, let's see what is in our second box and if it's the same exact items. So this is the other box. Looks pretty much the same. So we got another pop socket. Can't relate. Flamethrower. Baby Spice. I'm Royalty, and Mint Condition. I am going to go ahead and put a pop socket in. This is for today's reveal. I had another product, but I'll save that for the next video. So I'm going to put a pop socket in, and I'm going to put in the Skin Frost Mint Condition. Not the lipsticks. I'm going to save the lipsticks. I might put a lipstick in for a reveal for another video of ours. But since this is Jeffree Star video, then we're going to put in the pop socket and the Mint Condition. And our code word for today is going to be I can't relate. It's not even Christmas related, but I can't relate because I'm really not too thrilled with these boxes. I mean, overall, it's a good value. Like, now I have lots of goodies for giveaways and stuff. And, I mean, since I have double, I might as well try the lipsticks. I probably won't try Flamethrower, but the purple one, I definitely will use that as, like, an eyeliner. So, and I am excited about the Can't Relate one. And I will probably put the other Can't Relate in my... Actually, I need to put the one away that I already used. And this one in my swap box. So, today's code word is Can't Relate. And you are getting the pop socket and the Skin Frost. Would you guys like to see what else we have so far for the giveaway, since this has been kind of a short video? I have it all here in a little bag. Alright, so I threw in a lip mask. That's just something extra goodies. We have the Morphe 9N About Last Night. The Ulta Beauty Kit, which is like a 9-piece full face kit. We have another pop socket. We have our brush wipes from our brush cleaning video, makeup brush wipes. And we have our Give Me Glow Cosmetics 4-piece eyeshadow brush set. And an IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara, my favorite mascara ever. Cover FX Enhancing Drops in the shade Moonlight. And the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette from the Vault. So for palette wise, we've got this and this. And now we're adding the Jeffree Star Skin Frost. I'm going to put these in the bottom of the bag. And this I will show you guys for our newer subscribers. This is what you're getting in the complete Ulta. You get like a lippie, a tinted eye primer, eyebrow, eyeliner, matte lipstick, brush, blush, face palette. You get a lot of goodies in here. It's actually really cute. And you get this cute little bag that it comes with. It says it's valued at like $50. I don't know how real that is, but there's that. And the mascara, brushes, and brush wipes. Our Cover FX drops, our lip mask. I have eye patches too. I just have to locate them. I did a skincare video on these lip patches and then the golden eye patches. So I'll probably put like 2 or 3 lip masks and a couple of the eye patches in as well. And then our 2 pop sockets. And that concludes our video for today. So don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be today's video was supposed to be my favorite brushes and going over my brush collection, but I just had to do the Jeffree Star unboxing. So stay tuned for my brush collection, and then we'll also be doing some exciting Christmas looks this week. And the code word for today again is can't relate. See you guys next time.